Good morning everyone, Zach at H&I Detailing, and we're just taking a look at today's project. Look at those swirls. And if that's not enough, we're going to come down the side and we have an amazing amount of Arizona pinstriping. As you can see, it is awful. Changed the entire color of the truck almost. It is a little dirty, but that's not really what we're seeing here. Here's a good shot. So our goal today is to do paint correction. A lot of it. And get as much of these scratches, swirls out of this truck so we can sell it. So stick with me. We're going to see how this turns out together. And I'll get back with you guys. Thanks for watching. We are. This truck looked almost white with the amount of damage that was present, either pinstriping, scratches, relatively the same thing, and just neglect. But it was a hunting truck, so that's fair. But now, here we are. The truck is black again, and not just black, but look at that reflection. There's still a little bit of damage, obviously. Some of the pinstripes were a little too deep to get out and remove all the way, but being treated the correct way and toned down, everything is looking good again. We were able to get some of the scratches out of the headlights. We just went with a light, non-aggressive polish on there. Get a little bit of the yellow off as well. Alright. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. As always, feel free to stop by H&I Detailing, get yourself a quote, get your car looking beautiful again, or just maybe get it summer ready and get a nice paint sealant done. Give us a call. Look forward to seeing you. Thank you.